bestonlinemerch.com. Exploring Rajasthan, India is like stepping into a vibrant tapestry woven with rich history, stunning landscapes, and a culture that bursts at the seams with color and life. If you're planning a trip to this magnificent state, there are a few essentials you should have in your travel arsenal to make your journey smooth and memorable. First off, let's talk about the weather. Rajasthan can be scorching hot, especially in the summer months, so packing a good sun hat and high SPF sunscreen is non-negotiable. You'll want to protect your skin while you're out exploring the majestic forts and palaces. Speaking of exploration, comfortable shoes are a must. You'll find yourself wandering through bustling markets, ancient ruins, and sprawling deserts. And trust me, you don't want to be doing that in flip-flops. Opt for sturdy sandals or walking shoes that can handle a bit of dust and uneven terrain. Now, let's dive into the heart of Rajasthan, its cities. Jaipur, the Pink City, is a treasure trove of architectural wonders. The Hawa Mahal, with its intricate lattice work, is a sight to behold. But don't just stop there. Make sure to visit the city palace and the Jantar Mantar, an astronomical observatory that will leave you in awe. A portable phone charger is essential here. You'll want to capture every moment without worrying about your battery dying. Trust me, you'll want to document your journey through the colorful streets filled with artisans and local crafts. Next, let's not forget about Udaipur, the city of lakes. The shimmering waters and palatial architecture make it a romantic getaway. A good travel journal can be a great companion here. Take a moment to jot down your thoughts as you sit by Lake Pichola watching the sunset. It's these moments that make travel truly special. And while you're at it, don't forget to pack a reusable water bottle. Hydration is key, especially in the dry heat of Rajasthan. Many places now offer refill stations, so you can stay eco-friendly while keeping cool. As you venture into the desert, the Thar Desert will welcome you with open arms. Camel safaris are a must-do, and for that, a lightweight scarf can be a lifesaver. It protects you from the sun and can also double as a makeshift blanket for those chilly desert nights. When you're out under the stars, you'll want to be cozy and comfortable. And speaking of comfort, a good pair of sunglasses will not only protect your eyes but also add a touch of style to your travel look. Now let's talk about food. Rajasthan is known for its rich, spicy cuisine. Make sure to try the dal bati churma and gatte ki sabzi. A portable snack bag can come in handy when you're on the go, exploring the local street food scene. You might come across some delicious kachoris or jalebis that you'll want to munch on while you stroll through the markets. Just remember to keep an eye on where you're eating. Street food can be an adventure of its own. Finally, let's not forget about the people. The warmth and hospitality of the Rajasthani people will leave a lasting impression. A small gift, like a token from your home, can go a long way in building connections. Whether it's a local artisan or a shopkeeper, a smile and a simple gesture can open doors to unforgettable experiences. So, as you pack your bags for Rajasthan, remember these essentials: sun protection, comfortable footwear, a portable charger, a water bottle, a journal, and an open heart. Embrace the vibrant culture, indulge in the rich flavors, and let the beauty of Rajasthan sweep you off your feet. Your adventure awaits, and trust me, it's going to be one for the books. Like and subscribe.